Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing with you 3 quick and easy home decor projects that look expensive and high-end, but are so simple for you to do. I also linked everything that you will need in the description box, so make sure to check that out. Subscribe and thumbs up this video if you enjoy it, and let's get started. For the first project, I'm starting out with these faux stems, a black and white ribbon, and a bag of fresh lemons. That totally rhymed. I'm removing all of the leaves from the stems and they just pop off, super simple. And then I'm just going to throw them in here. I found this guy at Hobby Lobby, and all of the lemons go inside with a few more stems in the empty spaces. And then I'm wrapping a ribbon around. I'm going to secure it with tape, and then I wanted to show you guys a few options with it at the bottom, in the center, in the middle, so you guys will see that here. I just think this is so simple, so fast, but it looks adorable. For project number 2, I'm starting out with a letterboard from Hobby Lobby, and this project really is so versatile. I also am using my glue gun as well as a gold paint and tape for the next few steps. I'm going to paint a few stripes to add a little bit of interest to this simple frame and give it a higher end feel. High-end home decor seems to always have a focal point followed by softer details, so that is exactly the look I want to mimic. I'm going to be adding in these stunning silk flowers and arranging them, and as you can see, I'm removing the base of the stem. It just kind of flies once it's removed, but it's totally worth the pickup because the flowers seem to just stick really well once they are completely flat. And I also am going to add in a few stems from the first project, and that is it. I think this is just such a cute idea, and of course it can be used for almost anything you can think of, like holidays and birthdays and just fun little sayings. For the last project, I'm going to dress up a simple silk floral arrangement with a Chanel perfume label. I found this on Pinterest, so I will have a link for the label in the description box, as well as a sticker I found online for less than $5 if you would rather purchase it instead of make your own. But I think this looks so pretty and feminine, and once you have it all cut out, of course, the only thing you have to do is apply it, and you are good to go. Write a comment down below and let me know which project was your favorite. I love them all so much, I don't think I can choose. If you guys have any requests for future home decor videos, then definitely write that in the comment section as well. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and make sure to click on the bell so you're always notified when a new video is posted, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!